Donaldson
from
of
Detroit.
Dear Miss Davis,
Dear
my
Miss
wife
Davis,
and I just
my
saw
wife
your
and I
film.
just
Whatever happened
saw
to
your
Baby
film,
Jane?
Whatever Happened to
Could you
Baby
settle
Jane?
an argument for
Could you
us
settle
in
an
private
argument
life?
for us?
Are you and Joan
In private
Crawford really
life, are
brothers?
you and Joan Crawford really brothers?
All right.
Betty was the queen of Hollywood.
Queen of Hollywood.
Back in the
Back
days
when
where queens were still ladies.
And Joan Crawford
And Joan
was
Crawford was king.
Miss Crawford has always been envious of Betty's voluptuous figure. As a matter of fact, Joan used to borrow Betty's bras to use them as
shoulder pads.
shoulder pads.
And then in
Did she tell Joan how
1963,
bad
there
she
was
felt about the roast?